Hello everybody. Just thought I show people with Rolex date the vintage ones. I try to search YouTube and Google in trying to remove the crown from 1803, which is 60s watch, with 1556 movement. Here is the inside. So in order for you to remove the crown, there's this tiny screw. Let me point out here. As you can focus, it's right there. This screwdriver has to be super tiny. Even this super tiny ones I bought as a package from Amazon could not get through the tiny hole on this piece in order to get to that tiny screw to release the stem. So you have to remove that. I mean, look at this, how tiny this screw is. I mean, it's microscopic, guys. And then you get to that tiny screw right there. And that's it. It's out. And here's my replacement I got from eBay for about 100 bucks. So as you can see, it's stripped throughout all these years. Since the 60s, you can imagine. But you need these to grab onto the stem and then twist it off. So I just thought I'd show you guys on how to do this. I try YouTube, Google, no information available to work on this.